Hello students. Uh, in last lecture we talked about some important information about copyright and trademark and domain name dispute. And today we would like to go for the topic called protecting intellectual property. Means some intellectual property means your own creativity which we need to protect. I mean to say, you require to protect in such a way that if somebody wants to claim of their ownership, then they cannot claim for the ownership. So how it is possible? Let's start. Now several new and improved methods are continually being developed to protect the intellectual property, like your digital logo, okay, or like music or video. They are called intellectual property and you have to protect them. Now some of the techniques are mentioned over here. One is steganography. Okay, now steganography is the process of hiding information within other information. It hides information within other information. Means what? Information available in front of you but indirectly available. I hope you are thinking how. Let's go for example. If you see carefully, you want to pass the message secret inside. This is the original message. Now how you pass? Since everyone can read encoding text in a natural sentence is doubtfully effective. So you will use these two lines. This is steganography. The information secret inside that is available inside this, but in hidden form. Those who understand, they can able to interact this. Few of you are thinking it is one kind of encryption. Yes, it is one kind of encryption, but we will say it's encoding text. Okay, so it is encoding, not exactly encryption, because in encryption you are not able to get the original things at all. Here the original message is in front of you but in a hidden form, so you have to find out. Okay, if you play the game word search, then you can able to understand this. So in word search what happens, so many alphabets are jumbled and you have to find out a particular word from that jumbled alphabets. Now the information in the files, if not protected, can be used for any malicious purpose. It works by replacing unused data in computer files such as image, sound, text within invisible information. So many information is merged, extra information is merged with original information. If you can see, with every alphabet extra characters are kept. Okay, with every alphabet extra characters are kept. The hidden information can be plain text, ciphertext, or even images. Now this is technical, you have to remember. Okay, we will not go in detail. Special software is needed for steganography, and there are freeware versions also available on internet which can be easily downloaded. Freeware means without any money you can download. Now another way of protecting is what? Digital watermarking. Now watermarking, some of you are aware, some teachers will go for these kind of watermark. Image is there, but I hope you can see this. This is called digital but visible watermark. This is called digital but visible watermark. Okay, in some teachers material also you can able to see these kind of things. Okay, so that is digital watermark but visible. Now here we talk about other things. The watermark is digital code inserted into digital image. I already show you digital image. Audio or video files which can be identify the file's copyright information. So audio and video also have digital watermarking. Now how audio and video? I will add one link in the description of this video, with the help of which you can come to know that even audio also can go for a copyright. Video, if you can able to see that in some news channel, or like for example some channel or some service provider like Tata Sky. Okay, if you download any video from Tata Sky, then in that video Tata Sky word will available. Or sometimes when you are watching television, some code comes on the screen. That code indicate that the location of that particular area. So if somebody upload on YouTube without permission, then it is one kind of watermarking on video. And about audio, I will add one link in the description of this video. If you listen that audio, it is your today's question also. If you listen that music, then along with that music, they will add one word, and that word is known as digital watermarking. You have to just show a thumb impression in the comment section of this video that whether the description video, music, are you able to listen that particular word along with music or not. Okay, so when you listen at that time, you better understand. Now we go ahead next. Now, it also used to hidden information in totally invisible manner. Earlier, artists used to creatively sign their paintings with a brush to claim copyright, but in digital world, artists can watermark their work by hiding their name within the image. So, the artists do something so that in that image only you can able to hide. Hence, the invisible embedded watermark helps to identify the owners of the work. I give example to understand this. Okay, and it becomes over here also somewhere. If you observe currency note, okay, then in currency note white area you are able to see it is a plain white area. But if you put this in front of tube light, you can able to see. For example, here we have a 50 rupees note. But if you keep this 50 rupees note in front of tube light, then you may able to see some impression. I'll just try out. I don't know whether I am successful or not. But if you keep, I hope you can little bit see that Gandhiji's impression is available. Okay. Now the same thing if I move here downside, okay, it's plain white. Okay. So this is a example of a hidden watermark. Now this concept is also applicable to other media, digital video, audio. Currently, the unauthorized distribution of digital audio over internet in MP3 form is a big problem because you cannot download MP3 illegally. Okay, all the movie, their songs, they are registered. Okay, so in that case, digital watermarking may be useful to set up the control of audio distribution and to provide efficient means for copywriting protection. So if you download MP3 from illegal way, then in that case, that particular song contains some copyright material which you cannot able to understand properly. If you are very good at sound and you know little bit music, then you can able to understand that it has copyright. I already clarified about audio copyright. I will send one description video link through which you can able to understand. Now in the field of data security, watermark can be used for certification and authorization. For example, the photo identity of a person can protected by an identity number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 written on the card, hidden as I show Gandhiji's image as a digital watermark in identity photo. So manipulating and changing the identity photo can be detected easily. If somebody try to if somebody try to go for duplicate of this note, then they cannot duplicate that impression of Gandhiji, which I already show you. So by that way you can able to protect and can identify the correct one. Now digital watermarking can also be link information of the document. For example, the name of the passport owner is normally printed in the clear text, but using digital watermark the name can also be hidden, okay, in the passport photo. As I say, the Gandhiji's impression is hidden over here. Okay, same way the name is also hidden in passport photo. If anyone tried to tamper with the passport by replacing the photo, it would be possible to detect the change by scanning the passport. Means when you scan the passport, the hidden code, the hidden information is not available because somebody changed the photograph. So you can able to find out that whether it is a real passport or fake passport, and verify the name hidden in the photo. So even somebody of you have a passport, you can able to keep the passport in front of tube light, you can able to see the same thing. Visible digital watermark. This is called visible digital watermark. This is visible digital watermark we are talking about. So visible digital watermark can be added to any image using the photo editor tools like GIMP. Now GIMP is a software. If any of you heard about Adobe Photoshop, the same way GIMP is a software which allows you to process on photographs. Okay, so these are the things which we go for protecting intellectual property. Now in next lecture we go for payment in e-commerce and commerce. One of the lengthiest video I will publish in the next slot, because this topic we can't break. Okay, it is something like how credit card works. The whole thing available over here. This whole page I have to explain step by step, and textbook is not it's not correlate the way how it required to. So I will able to explain you only with some specific diagram. So this will be probably the most lengthiest video. Actually it's difficult to teach online to you. Face to face is more convenient, but because of situation I try my level best to explain you with the help of some diagram and online videos. Okay, so the next lecture we will go with payment in e-commerce and m-commerce. Till then I hope you are aware what to do in homework, and if you have a doubt you can ask me. Okay, so we will complete our lecture over here. Please take care of yourself. Thank you.